Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recover your Metamask password. Forgetting your password can be stressful, but your secret recovery phrase is your key to regaining access. This phrase is a unique set of 12 words, and it's the only way to restore your wallet if you forget your password. Keep it absolutely secure and private, as it grants full control over your digital assets. To begin, open your Metamask application, whether it's the browser extension or the mobile app. Instead of trying to log in, look for the option that says Import using Secret Recovery Phrase. This is the starting point for recovering your account. Clicking this will guide you through the necessary steps to re-establish access to your wallet and all its contents. Now, it's time to enter your secret recovery phrase. Take your time and carefully type each of the 12 words into the provided fields. Accuracy is crucial here. Even one incorrect word or an improper sequence will prevent successful recovery. Once your phrase is correctly entered, you will be prompted to set a completely new and robust password for your Metamask wallet. Congratulations! With your secret recovery phrase correctly entered and a new password set, your Metamask wallet is now fully restored and accessible. Remember, your secret recovery phrase is the master key to your funds. Always store it in a safe, offline place, like a physical vault. For your new password, consider using a trusted password manager to ensure its strength and security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.